Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is me, Aiza freelancer and this is my Maya. And my topic is how does the heart pump blood through our body? So let's start with our interesting session with Maya. I'm calling to Maya. So
Hiya.
hello Maya, how are you? Can you hear me?
I can hear you clearly. I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. You sound good too.
Okay, so Maya, my first question is from you. Please tell me what is the main job of the heart? Answer me.
Got it. The heart's main job is pretty simple. It's a pump. Specifically, it pumps blood all around your body. That blood delivers oxygen and nutrients to all your tissues, and it carries away waste products too. Without that pumping action, nothing would get where it needs to go.
Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me how many chambers does the heart have? Please give me answer.
Just pulling some info on that for you. Okay. The human heart actually has four chambers. There's the right atrium and the left atrium. Those are on top and they receive blood. Then there's the right ventricle and left ventricle. Those are the ones that do the actual pumping to push blood out to the lungs and the rest of your body. Make sense?
My next question is from you. Please tell me, Maya, what are the names of the four chambers? Please answer me, Maya.
Sure thing. The four chambers are called the right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, and left ventricle. So you've got a right side and a left side, and then an upper chamber, the atrium, and the lower chamber, the ventricle on each side.
Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me which side of the heart carries oxygen, poor blood. Please answer.
Can you clarify that question a bit? I'm not quite sure what you're asking about the oxygen port or third phase. What exactly are you wanting to know about the heart and
Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me which side carries oxygen, rich blood. Answer me, Maya.
That one's pretty garbled. Could you try phrasing that question a different way? I'm not catching what you're asking about which side of the heart. Maybe try it a little slower?
So, Maya, my question is, which side carries oxygen, rich blood? Answer.
Ah, got it. So the left side of your heart carries the oxygen-rich blood. The right side carries blood that's lower in oxygen. Here's how it works. Blood gets oxygenated in the lungs, then comes back to the left side of your heart, which pumps it out to the whole body. The right side takes the oxygen, poor blood, from your body and sends it to the lungs to get reoxygenated. Make sense?
Now, my next question is from you. Please tell me, what does the right atrium do? Please give me answer.
Are you asking what blood does or what it carries? If you're talking about what blood carries, it's actually doing a lot. It carries oxygen to your tissues, but also nutrients, hormones, and antibodies. And it takes away waste like carbon dioxide so it can get filtered out. Does that answer your question?
My next question is from you. Please tell me, what does the right ventricle do? Please answer.
The right ventricle pumps blood to your lungs. Basically, it takes the blood that's lower in oxygen, the blood that's been around your body doing its work, and sends it to the lungs to pick up fresh oxygen. From there, that oxygenated blood goes to the left side of the heart.
Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me, why does blood go to the lungs? Please give me answer, Maya. I'm waiting for your answer.
Blood goes to the lungs so it can pick up oxygen. Think of it like this. Every time you breathe in, you're filling your lungs with fresh air, including oxygen. Blood travels to the lungs to grab that oxygen, which it needs to carry to the rest of your body. It's like the blood is refueling in the lungs before continuing its delivery route.
So, Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me, what happens to bloods in the lungs?
Okay, so when blood gets to the lungs, it actually drops off carbon dioxide. That's a waste product your body needs to get rid of. Then the blood picks up oxygen from the air you just breathed in. So basically, it's a swap. Blood dumps the bad stuff, grabs the good stuff, and then heads back to the heart, ready to deliver oxygen to the rest of your body.
Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me, what gas does blood pick up in the lungs? Please answer me, Maya.
Uh, Blood picks up oxygen in the lungs. Oxygen is the gas it needs to carry to all your tissues and organs so they can function. And that's the whole point of the trip to the lungs, to get oxygenated.
So, Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me, what chamber receives oxygen? Sorry, which chamber is the strongest? Please answer me, Maya. I'm waiting for your.
The chamber that receives oxygenated blood is the left atrium. And the left ventricle actually has stronger muscles since it needs to pump the oxygen rich blood out to the entire body. The right side doesn't need as much force because it's only pumping to the lungs, which are close by.
So, Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me, why is the left ventricle strong? Answer me.
You mean stronger, right? The left ventricle is stronger because it has a much bigger job to do. It has to pump oxygen rich blood all the way around your whole body, fighting gravity and traveling through all those tiny blood vessels. The right ventricle only has to pump blood to the nearby lungs, so it doesn't need to be as strong. It's like a weightlifter. You need stronger muscles for lifting heavier weights.
Okay, so Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me, which is the aorta? Please give me answer, Maya.
That's a bit of a confusing sentence. Did you want to tell me something about a release from Houston Beach? Or did you mean something else there? I want to make sure I understand what you're trying to say.
Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me, what are veins? Veins, please give me answer, Maya.
Oh, interesting question. You want to know what I believe? I'm pretty convinced that a lot of good comes from being curious and open-minded. I also think that it's helpful to be direct and honest, even when it might be hard or uncomfortable, and that we can all benefit from treating each other with respect, even when we disagree. I don't believe in beating around the bush. What about you? What's important to you?
So Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me, how fast does the heart beat per minute? Please answer.
So, the average heart rate for an adult is between 60 and 100 beats per minute, but it can change a lot. When you're exercising, it speeds up. When you're resting or sleeping, it slows down. A well trained athlete might have a heart rate closer to 40 or 50 beats per minute at rest because their heart is so efficient.
So Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me what happens when the heart sequence. Please give me answer, Maya. I'm waiting.
I'm not catching what you mean by when the hold sequence is placing me. Hmm. Can you rephrase that? Maybe you meant something else? Or could you tell me more about what's you're asking about heart attacks. When the heart sequences, meaning when someone has a heart attack, it usually happens because something is blocking blood flow to part of the heart muscle. That part of the heart starts to die from lack of oxygen. That's why it's super important to get medical help fast. If someone is having chest pain or heart attack symptoms, they need to clear that blockage and restore blood flow ASAP. Does that make sense?
Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me what happens when the heart relaxes. Please give me answer, Maya.
When your heart relaxes, it's actually filling up with blood. You think of it like squeezing a water bottle. When you let go and the bottle relaxes, it fills back up. The chambers in your heart get bigger and blood flows in from the veins, ready to be pumped out on the next beat. It's a cycle: squeeze, relax, fill, squeeze again.
Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me is the heart ambulance? Please give me answer. I'm waiting for.
Hmm. Could you repeat that? I'm getting bits and pieces, but not the full picture there. You mean, is the heart a person? No, the heart is an organ, it's part of your body, not a person itself, but it's definitely a really important part of being alive.
My next question is from you. Please tell me where is the heart located in the body?
Your heart is located in your chest, slightly to the left side of your breastbone. It's tucked between your lungs and protected by your rib cage, which is pretty clever because it's so important to keep it safe. You can, um, actually feel where it is by putting your hand on the left side of your chest.
Maya, my next question is from you. How big is the heart? Answer me, Maya. I'm waiting for answer.
Not quite sure what you're asking there. What are you trying to find out about size or how big something is? That's a great question. Your heart never completely stops resting. It just slows down. Even when you're asleep, it's still beating, but at a slower rate. During exercise or stress, it beats faster. But when you're relaxed, your heart rate slows down, giving it a bit of a break. Your heart has its own built in electrical system that actually takes over when your body is resting and lets the heart stay steady without you having to think about it.
Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me why is the oxygen important for the body? Answer me, Maya.
Hmm. It sounds like you might be talking about what clothes oxygen patients wear, maybe someone specifically named Gleason? I'm a bit confused by that one. Could you clarify what you're asking? Okay, so oxygen is basically what keeps you going. Your body needs it to turn food into energy. It's like fuel for your cells. Without oxygen, your cells can't work, and that means your organs can't do their jobs. That's why breathing oxygen is so essential for life. It keeps everything running.
Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me, how does blood help the body? Answer me, Maya.
Blood does so much for the body. Beyond carrying oxygen, it delivers nutrients, hormones, and antibodies to all your tissues. It also picks up waste products like carbon dioxide for removal. It's part of your immune system, fighting off infections, and helps regulate body temperature. Basically, it's a transportation system, a communication network, and a defense force all rolled into one. Everything all right? You went quiet there. Are you still with me?
Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me what happens if the heart stops pumping. Please answer me.
If the heart stops pumping, your body quickly starts to shut down. Oxygen stops getting delivered to your brain and other organs, which leads to unconsciousness very quickly. If pumping doesn't restart soon, those organs start to fail and you won't survive. That's why heart attacks and cardiac arrest are so serious. Time is critical. You've been quiet for a bit now. Are you still there? Just checking in.
So, Maya, my next question is from you. What color is oxygen-rich blood? Answer me.
Blood is red. That comes from a protein called hemoglobin that carries oxygen. When hemoglobin has oxygen, it's bright red, but when it doesn't, it's a darker red color. It's like oxygen rich blood looks different than the blood that's already been around the body delivering oxygen.
Okay, Maya, so my next question is from you. Please tell me what color is oxygen or blood? Answer me, Maya.
Actually, oxygen doesn't have a color, it's invisible. You can't see it, but it's all around us in the air we breathe. What you're thinking of is probably the way oxygen can react with things and make them change color. But pure oxygen itself is clear.
Okay, so Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me, how does exercise affect the heart? Answer me, Maya.
I think you're asking about how exercise affects health, right? From what I understand, exercise is pretty crucial for good health. It helps your heart get stronger, lowers blood pressure, controls weight, improves your mood, strengthens your bones, and can even help prevent a lot of diseases. So, yeah, exercise has some pretty huge benefits.
Okay, so Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me, why does your heart beat faster when you run? Please give me.
Hiya. When you run, your muscles need a lot more oxygen to do all that work. Your heart beats faster to pump more oxygen rich blood to your muscles. The more you move, the more oxygen you need, and the harder your heart works to deliver it. That's why your heart rate goes up during exercise.
So Maya, my next question is from you. Please tell me, what is the beat? Please give me.
The heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood through your blood vessels by repeated contraction and relaxation of its chambers. It's basically the engine that keeps your whole circulatory system working, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every part of your body. You've been quiet
Maya,
for a
my
minute.
next question is
Are you
from
still there?
Guru. Please tell me, how can you feel your pulse? Please give me answer.
You can feel your pulse by gently pressing on an artery close to the skin surface. Common spots are on your wrist, that's where most people check it, or on your neck, where pulse is basically the beat of your heart pushing blood through your arteries. So you're feeling that pulsing rhythm when you check your pulse. Makes sense? Hey there. I'm doing well, thanks. I think you might have been asking about how to feel your pulse, the beat of your heart. To find it, gently press with your fingertips on your wrist, on the thumb side, or on your neck to the side of your windpipe. You should feel a regular pulsing rhythm. Does that make sense?
Maya, my next question is from the last question is what organs work with the heart? Answer.
Lots of organs work with the heart. Your lungs, of course, to get oxygen into the blood. Your kidneys help regulate blood pressure and fluids. Your brain sends signals to control heart rate. The digestive system provides nutrients that get carried by the blood. Even your muscles and bones rely on that blood flow. It's really all interconnected.
I'm ended this Maya. So session. I'm ended this session. So please give me last advice to my viewers.
All right, great chatting with you today. For your viewers, just remember to be kind to your heart, eat well, exercise, get enough sleep, and take care of your mental health too. Take things one step at a time, be curious about your body, and never be afraid to ask for help. Thanks for having me.
So much Maya for your answer. So viewers, this is our my Maya. I hope you like it. I'm in next video next Maya. Thank you so much for watching.